King here. I just wanted to drop you a quick note. I'm in my studio right now just finishing off couple of small things for my next video, and it's going to be make money on YouTube without making videos. The guide to affiliate marketing, 8 easy steps. Now, what's great about this is I'm going to put in the screen right now. I found a website that you can actually do affiliate marketing launches. So this is not out to the public right now, and this is something that you can do and you can incorporate with my last video, which I'm going to put a link in the comment section if you haven't seen that, and showing you how you can rank number 1, 2, 3 on the Google platform. And with using these 8 steps and then using this amazing launch with affiliate marketing, it's awesome. Now, that being said about yesterday, I'm also going to put in the screen right now how I ranked on yesterday's video. Now, gotta run, subscribe, we'll see you tomorrow, and have a great day.